Downward facing dog tutorial from quadruped. Align your wrist underneath your shoulders, wrist creases parallel to the short end of your mat. Knees underneath your hips. Draw the ribs and belly in, keeping the spine long. Press through your hands, broaden between the shoulder blades into protraction. As you lift up, keep weight in your hands. Then equalize the weight between your hands and feet. The hips are the apex of the pose. Keep lifting under the armpits and draw the ribs and belly in. This version is not functional. It is collapsing and destabilizing. It compromises the shoulder joint and disconnects the core. So walk the feet in, bend the knees as much as you need. This frees up the fascial line of the low back. If the heels can touch, still have buoyancy in the knees. Return to quadruped. Push through your hands, broaden between the shoulder blades, lift up, and equalize the weight between your hands and feet. Lifting under the armpits, drawing that front body in. Return to quadruped, long spine. Push through the hands, puff, and lift. Equalize the weight. Again, bend the knees as much as you need, but keep lifting under the armpits. Keep the hips lifting up, ribs and belly in. Buoyancy in the knees. And return to quadruped.